Do you ever look at your finances and wonder if they could be doing more for you? Are you curious about investing but feel overwhelmed by the jargon, the charts, and the sheer number of options out there? You're not alone. For many people, the world of investing feels like a secret club with an impossible initiation. We hear about the importance of growing our money, of compound interest, of preparing for retirement, but the how often remains a blurry, intimidating mystery. Perhaps you've dabbled in a few stocks, or maybe you've considered talking to a financial advisor, only to be put off by high fees or the feeling that you're just another number in their portfolio. It's a common dilemma. We want our money to work harder, but we also want simplicity, affordability, and a clear understanding of where our hard-earned cash is going. We want to build wealth, but without needing a finance degree to do it. This is where the concept of robo-advisors comes into play, and specifically, a platform that has revolutionized how Canadians, and increasingly, people globally, approach investing, Wealthsimple Invest. Think of Wealthsimple Invest not as a human advisor, but as a super smart, automated financial planner that uses algorithms to manage your investments. It's designed to be incredibly user-friendly, taking the complexity out of investing and putting it within reach for everyone, regardless of their financial literacy or net worth. The core idea is to provide professional-grade portfolio management at a fraction of the cost of traditional advisors, all while keeping your financial goals front and center. So, what exactly is Wealthsimple Invest, and how does it work its magic? Let's break it down. At its heart, Wealthsimple Invest is an automated investing platform. This means it builds and manages a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for you, based on your individual risk tolerance and financial goals. Instead of you picking individual stocks or bonds, Wealthsimple does the heavy lifting, diversifying your investments across various asset classes, industries, and geographies. This diversification is crucial because it helps to reduce risk. If one area of the market experiences a downturn, your entire portfolio isn't necessarily devastated because you have other investments that might be performing better. The process of getting started with Wealthsimple Invest is surprisingly straightforward. It typically begins with a series of questions designed to understand your unique financial situation and investment objectives. These aren't trick questions, they're designed to gather essential information. You'll be asked about your age, your income, your current savings, and most importantly, your comfort level with risk. Are you someone who panics at the first sign of a market dip, or are you comfortable with fluctuations in pursuit of long-term growth? Your answers to these questions are vital because they directly influence the type of portfolio Wealthsimple will recommend for you. Based on your responses, Wealthsimple's algorithms will then construct a personalized portfolio. This portfolio will consist of a mix of ETFs, carefully selected to align with your risk profile. For example, if you're younger and have a higher tolerance for risk, your portfolio might lean more heavily towards equity ETFs, which tend to have higher growth potential but also more volatility. If you're closer to retirement and prioritize capital preservation, your portfolio might include a larger proportion of fixed income ETFs, which are generally less volatile but offer lower returns. Once your portfolio is established, the real automation begins. Wealthsimple Invest continuously monitors your portfolio to ensure it stays aligned with your target asset allocation. This is where rebalancing comes in. Over time, as different investments perform differently, your initial asset allocation can shift. For instance, if your stock ETFs perform exceptionally well, they might end up representing a larger portion of your portfolio than initially intended. Wealthsimple automatically rebalances your portfolio by selling some of the overperforming assets and buying more of the underperforming ones, bringing your portfolio back to its target allocation. This proactive management ensures that your risk level remains consistent with your comfort zone without you having to lift a finger. Beyond rebalancing, Wealthsimple Invest also handles dividend reinvestment. Many ETFs pay out dividends, which are essentially a share of the profits from the underlying companies. Instead of these dividends sitting idle, Wealthsimple automatically reinvests them back into your portfolio, buying more units of the ETFs. This is a powerful feature because it supercharges the effect of compound interest, allowing your money to grow even faster over time. It's like having your money work for itself, generating more money, and then that new money goes out and earns even more. One of the most appealing aspects of Wealthsimple Invest is its fee structure. Traditional financial advisors often charge a percentage of your assets under management, which can add up significantly over the years. Wealthsimple Invest, on the other hand, typically charges a much lower management fee, often in the range of 0.4% to 0.5% per year, depending on the size of your portfolio. This seemingly small difference in fees can have a profound impact on your long-term returns. Imagine investing $100,000. A traditional advisor charging 1% might take $1,000 per year, while Wealthsimple charging 0.5% would take $500. Over decades, that extra $500 saved each year can grow into a substantial sum, all thanks to the power of compounding. Furthermore, Wealthsimple Invest offers several types of accounts to suit different financial goals. You can open a non-registered investment account, perfect for general savings. But where it really shines for many is with registered accounts like RRSPs, Registered Retirement Savings Plans, and TFSAs, Tax-Free Savings Accounts, in Canada, or their equivalents in other jurisdictions. These accounts offer significant tax advantages, making them ideal vehicles for long-term wealth building. Wealthsimple integrates seamlessly with these account types, allowing you to maximize your tax efficiency while enjoying automated investing. Let's talk about the user experience, because that's where Wealthsimple truly sets itself apart from many traditional investment platforms. Their website and mobile app are incredibly intuitive and easy to navigate. You don't need to be a financial expert to understand what's happening with your money. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your portfolio's performance, your deposits, and your withdrawals. You can easily set up recurring deposits, which is a fantastic way to commit to consistent saving and investing, a strategy known as dollar-cost averaging. This means you invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market fluctuations. When prices are high, your fixed amount buys fewer units. When prices are low, it buys more. Over time, this strategy helps to average out your purchase price and reduces the risk of trying to time the market, which is notoriously difficult even for seasoned professionals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.